simple by making a square box. We're going to make a square box like this. And then you're going to do this yourselves. And you're going to do it over and over again so it sinks in your little heads, okay?
My husband tells me I have a big one.
A big head? It means a lot of brain.
That's right.
That's because you're thin. So your head always looks bigger when you're thin. You can't help it. So get fat and your head will look little. So get rid of that problem. Big body, little head. Little body, big head. Okay, so we know this is our right side. So we're going to know this is the right atrium, right? And this is the right ventricle. So we're going to just label them for now. And then we'll talk about what goes through them. So over here is going to be what? Left atrium. See how easy it is? And left ventricle. Now, what did I tell you what the term atrium means? Entranceway. What always enters the heart? Always are veins. Arteries leave, veins enter. So the way you're going to get inside the heart is through a vein. So if we come on this side, so we make them blue, coming in this way, coming down this way here, would be the superior vena cava. Coming up this way into the heart would be inferior vena cava, right? And they're going to enter into here, like this. And also pouring in here from the coronary system would be coronary sinus. Okay? All pouring into the heart. So it's all going this way. Like that. And this blood is pretty crappy. The oxygen level stinks. Okay. So, and if I was a fetus, I would have a little window over here called foramen ovale, which becomes fossa ovalis. Okay? That's what it becomes because it closes. So we close the window. So that's what that is, the fossa. Now, if I want to get out of here, the only way out is through here. So I'm going to make a trap door. Like that. And I'm going to call it a tricuspid valve. Okay? Now I end up here. So here's the blood coming this way. Okay? And it's blue because it's low in oxygen. Okay, so the blue means oxygen is low. So how am I getting out of here? This ventricle. Only one way. That's through a pulmonary trunk. Okay, so let's make another color for pulmonary trunk. So we're not mixing this all up. We'll make it brown. Okay? So I have to have another valve over here somewhere, like this, called pulmonary valve, to get out of here. So there I go, like this. And up I go. Okay? And that's the pulmonary trunk now. Which goes into pulmonary veins to the lung. Okay? So the blood's going this way. And it's still crappy oxygen. Still low on oxygen. So my oxygen level in here, still low. Still low oxygen. Are you with me? Now, we're going to come back to the heart. And also there would be little strings holding this thing like this. And what would those strings be? Called a tendinae, right? And the strings come down and hook to this big muscle called papillary muscle. And it makes ridges in the walls like this called trabecula carne. Right? Ridges in my beef. Trabecula carne. There you go. That's it. So now I come like this, and we go like this. Out. Beats, blows out this way. These valves close, this opens, out I go. I go to the lung. Now I come back from the lung. So now we're going to use red because we get high oxygen, and that thing doesn't work that much. So I have 4 veins that are coming. So this is coming one side, this is one side. So these will be my veins coming back from the lung. So here's the lung. And these are pulmonary veins. And we have 4 of them. So here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bringing blood this way into my left atrium. And this blood now is rich in oxygen. Same thing here. So the blood's going to come down this way to get it out of that chamber, and it's going to go to another valve down here called bicuspid or mitral valve. Now I'm where? I'm in this, and this will have the same crap. Quarter tendinate, papillary muscle, trabecular. That's the same on both sides. The only thing changes the name of valves. Are you picking that up? The only thing that's changing names are valves. I mean, on the left or on the right, atria don't change name, ventricle don't change name, quarter tendinate doesn't change name, papillary muscle stays the same, trabecular carne stays the same. What changes? Valves. So there's only 4 things you're to keep in your head. All right? So here we go. Biker. So I want to get out of here and get to the body now. How am I going to do it? I'm going to go out this way to this big opening here called aortic valve. And I'm going to come up and around like this through aorta. And these 2 things will be connected by the ligamentum arteriosum. And that's it. Make it a big square box, and that's as easy as your heart works. Come in one way, go out the other. That's it.